Geometry plays an important role in mathematics. Geo means earth and metry is derived from the Greek word metron, which means measurement. Geometric interpretation of concepts such as shape, position, space, angle, and curve makes complex analysis easy to understand. In this video, you will learn how to find the definite integral using geometric interpretation. By definition, definite integral represents the area under a curve above the x-axis and between two defined values x is equal to a and x is equal to b. This is the graph of the function y is equal to f of x, and we want to find the area under this curve and above the x-axis between 2 points x equal to a and x equal to b. Extending point B to meet the y-axis gives the value of y when x is equal to b. That may be represented as f of b. Then point Q on this line gives the value of x, that is a. Now the distance between x equal to a and x equal to b is the change in the value of x and may be represented as delta x. To find the area under the curve between a and b, we may find the area of the rectangle PQRS and then subtract the region AQR. With the given information, can you find the area of the rectangle PQRS? Since area of a rectangle is length into breadth, and length is given by f of b and breadth is given by delta x, clearly the area of the rectangle is greater than the area under the curve between the 2 points x equal to a and x equal to b. But it is difficult to find the area of the region AQR because it is not a proper triangle. This can be solved in the second case. If we divide the rectangle PQRS into two parts, we get the sum of the area of two rectangles. Let us draw a line parallel to x-axis to the line PW and name it Q, and then extend it to y-axis to get the value of y. Suppose value of y is f of a star. If the change in the value of x is delta x1 and delta x2, can you find the area of the two rectangles? Pause the video and write the sum of the area of rectangle STUV and PQRS. This is the result. You can see the sum of the area of the two rectangles is still greater than the area under the curve. But there is a difference between the first case and the second case. Could you point out the difference? Yes, the region AWU in case 2 that was shown as AQR in case 1 has been reduced by the area of the region QWTR. This has helped us in moving a step closer to the area under the curve. Now consider a third case. Divide the original rectangle PQRS of case 1 into 4 parts. What is the result? Pause the video and try to draw the figure. You can see that the region AWU reduces further by the shaded region A plus B plus C. The observation is that by drawing smaller and smaller rectangles, the region above curve vanishes and the sum of all the rectangles will approximate to the area under the curve. In mathematical language, we may say that as the change in x tends to 0, the sum of the area of infinite rectangles will tend to the area under the curve. Note that delta x tends to 0 and is not equal to 0. This means that change in x is infinitely small. This situation may be mathematically expressed like this. Can you interpret this expression? Try it. Finally, the definite integral may be expressed like this. If you have found this video tricky, you watch it again and try to pause the video wherever you want. Also read the e-text Integration and Introduction for better understanding of the geometric interpretation. I am sure by the end of this week, you will have mastered the technique of integration.